Sa day 2 naman, baka you want naman to to share with us the day 2.
Well, yung sa day 2 naman, ito, big deal. Kasi everyone was asking, will the Vice President show up? So, she indeed showed up. She went to Senate. But did she go to the hearing? No. Well, so ito
Uh,
yung, dito na yung Invictus Day. Kasi she did have a press, she had a statement released to the press. She showed up in front of the press, and then she went on to quote uh, Invictus na yun nga, I will be bloody but unbowed. Na madali ang kinall out naman ng netizens. Because this
mm.
is not the first time that the family used that poem. Her sister Kitty also used it in The Hague. You remember that?
Invictus, out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul.
Talagang sinabi niya yung buong So, and then everyone was thinking, so is she coming? Is she entering the Senate hearing, impeachment hearing? She did not. So, yun nga. But in spite of that, on July 7, nagkaroon pa rin ng activation of Article 4. And then yung isa is yung presentation ng star witness. And then yung third is yung standoff between the Vice President going to Senate and showing up or not. So we're done
Mm.
with that part. She didn't show up. What
Di,
what are your thoughts on that?
di actually kinall out din siya doon. Bakit daw ba puro bloody ang nasa word? Nasa bibig niya.
In this bloodbath and bludgeoning, I will be blooded but unbowed.
Ang blood na naman.
Daw bloody. Pero yun nga, may point nga
Blood
yun.
Jones yun. Blood
I
Jones.
think
But
nagparamdam lang siya. Pero ako naman, being objective, okay, at least nagpakita ka. Pero sana lang talaga tinuloy-tuloy niya na, di ba?
saka game of optics yun na bago ang hair niya. Fresh ang hair niya. Masaya. Ang ganda ng countenance niya. So it's also
Yeah.
a way of controlling how people see.
Mm-mm.
And then
Mm-mm.
showing that, everything's under control. I'm looking good. I'm feeling good. Why should I even show up to my impeachment trial? Something like
Mm.
hmm,
Mm.
talaga. It's so
Yeah.
easy
So,
to condition the minds of people.
pero ang maganda rin sa day 2 is that presentation na rin ng witness.
Tama. Oo. O, anong say mo doon?
Hindi, kasi during day 2, it's more on the prosecution trying to present an evidence through the witness, no? Ito
Yeah.
yung time na gusto nilang ilabas yung expertise ng ating witness from the NBI to show yung
Oo.
authenticity ng video, which is a
Aha.
live broadcasted na Zoom, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Na sa VP Sara was there, Attorney Zuleika was there, yung Chief of Staff, and of course the other staff nandun lahat. And then they also want to present the 2 minute more than 2 minute video nga na threat mismo kasi
Oo.
they decided na na mas mag-focus muna din sa Article 4 ng impeachment nila, which focuses on the grave public assassination threat na ginawa nga allegedly ni VP Sara via Facebook. So, yun,
Oo.
yun yung yun yung focus na actually nakaraming 'di ba, objection ang prosecutor, like objection your honor, objection your honor, nakailan, like naging meme na nga yung objection na yan.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Oo.
naging meme yan. They were trying to stop yung pag-play ng video na yan, but eventually na-play naman, di
Mhm.
ba?
Yeah. So, I'll have to give it naman din to the defense. It's a legit strategy to try to,
Mhm.
kill the prosecution's presentation by overwhelming them with objections. Pero, on that day, for me, dalawang tao ang shine. And that would be the prosecutor's lawyer, Attorney Ligutan,
Mm.
the NBI Special Agent, John Mark Calilong, who was there
Mm.
to, to prove na authentic yung video, di ba, na siya mismo.
Mm.
Ano,
Mm.
all throughout, day 2, day 3, I have to give it to NBI Special Agent. Yung
Mm.
composure niya, saka yung consistency niya in answering the questions, talagang Wala naman akong
Yeah.
masabi. Mm.
Dire-diretso naman siya. And halata mong he really prepared for it.
Yes, yung mga ganyang klaseng testimonies, yung if you're on the side of the truth, there's no way for you to go wrong eh. Kasi he was just answering by describing what he was doing, what he did. It's his job.
Mm.
So
Mm.
talagang, oo, yun sa tingin ko. So, were they
Mm.
able to prove Article 4? Well, yun na yung i-determine impeachment court, diba?
Yeah. Yeah. Pero ang maganda doon is nailabas yung video. But prosecutor
Nilabas.
wants nga sana na question, bakit 2 minutes lang? Kung mahaba
Ah,
yung
sabi ni
video.
defense, bakit hindi 2 hours yung buo?
Oo, bakit 2 hours? Bakit hindi 2 hours, di ba? But medyo
Oo,
merong, ano yun, merong part na, akala ko ba hindi valid? Ba't gusto nyo i-play yung 2 hours?
oo. So, ang
Bakit?
sabi ata ni presiding officer doon is, if you want to, he told the defense, if you want to
Mm,
show the 2 hour video during your turn, then so be it.
mm.
But then it's still the prosecution's turn. So if they want to only to show those parts, then let them. So that's what
Tsaka
happened.
ano, isa pang napansin ko rin dito is masyadong nagiging technical yung labanan dito sa
Ay, oo.
impeachment trial, which should not be the case. Hindi
Hindi
to
kami sa
regular court,
courtroom.
hindi to regular courtroom. So yun yung napansin natin. Of course, may mga lawyers, ito nga, it happened, di ba, when question the prosecutor, the witness, na parang hindi naman na-prove nung video or nung anything na present ninyo na nag-contact talaga siya ng assassin, na it really happened. Which is a valid question. But then, yun kasing sagot ng prosecutor, it's at some point, parang ang closing statement. But then,
Oo.
here comes Pia Cayetano na parang questioning na bakit tinatanong yan? Hindi dapat tinatanong yan, ganito ganyan. Kayo namang lawyer na ano, masyado naman yung ano, sinasamantalang kabaitan ng impeachment court na to. So, may
Oo.
mga ganun ng argument, which is
Oo.
parang nangyari, sinisita ni Pia yung kapwa niya, Senator Judge. And,
Oo.
you
Agit
know,
eh.
oh,
Agitated
ginadjudge
talaga.
siya. And
Hinihingal ako sa agitation niya. Ako
yeah, and
yung,
you know, during the impeachment trial of Renato Corona, um, Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago was very clear when she said na dapat hindi nag-aaway ang maaway ang mga senator judges. They should not be questioning each other or they should not be like, naghaharap-harap against each other because naki-question ang credibilities. Kasi kung ganun din lang pala daw, di sana bawat senator judge na lang, hihintay na lang na magkamali yung kapwa senator judge just to question. Di ba?
oo.
Sinabi niya yun.
Oo. Di ba there's wisdom in that? There is.
Yeah, so
Oo.
dapat
Yes.
hindi ngayon ginagawa. And even Attorney Panelo, no, nakaalyado
Mm.
ng Duterte, praised Risa Hontiveros for that kind of questioning. So, yun nga, masyadong nagiging technical, masyado tayong and sana hindi nangyayari yun na Senator Judge is questioning fellow Senator Judge
Oo.
because they're co-equal dito sa
Mm.
impeachment court, di
Yeah.
ba?
Yeah. Ganun nga. Sana naman, huwag tayo mag-focus. Parang ang nagiging ano dun is nagbabangayan na sila dun sa sila ng
Yes.
Senate impeachment judges when in fact we should focus on the on what's happening. And which brings me back dun sa dun sa ano tawag dito? Dun sa evidence na
Mm,
present
mm.
ni
Yes.
senior FBI agent. Kasi uh yun nga, at least na-prove nila na he is credible although this got questioned again.
Mm.
Diba? So, yun. And then, di ba,
Yeah.
may chismis pa dun na walk out?
Yes, yun nga. Na parang nag-question si attorney ng prosecutor na
Ligutan.
nag-raise siya, oo, nag-raise siya ng concern na pa-walk out na nga raw yung lead
Oo.
defense.
Asawa niya. Your Honor, please, I think Attorney
Kindly-
Season is making a scene. Manifestation, I think Attorney Season gave a statement addressed to this representation and she walked out. She's now coming back.
But then, totoo bang nag-walk out?
Sabi, according to Attorney Sheila Season naman daw, hindi.
Mm.
CCR lang naman daw siya. So, ayun. Pero na-reprimand siya twice by Escudero for flagrant violations of basic courtroom decorum. Repetitive questioning.
De, tsaka
Doon
called out din siya ni Attorney Chel Chocnoy for directing her questions to the prosecutor rather sa ano pangalan nito, presiding officer. Mm-mm.
Sabi
Tsaka
naman
I
niya,
mean, I give it also to Attorney Carlo Narvasa na kahit na naging
Oo.
meme siya. I mean, he tried his best to do his role
Oo.
dun sa podium
Yeah.
na yon. I mean, he did all
Oo.
legal means to stop.
Oo.
But yeah,
Oo.
walang nagawa. Nangyari pa din, nailabas pa rin yung video. It's been there.
Oo.
Yun na nga.
Pero nga sa kaka-object niya, napawaw pa nga si ano, di ba?
Napawaw pa si
Napawaw si Attorney
attorney.
Libutan. Pero
Yeah.
hindi pa niya nasasabi yung question. Objection?
Mm.
Wow.
Wow, sabi niya. Wow.
Ob- Are you done?
Objection?
Objection, Your Honor.
Wow. So,
Naging Pinoy.
so
And
that,
di ba nag-post si Attorney Libutan after yung hearing of the
yeah.
second day? Sabi niya na bakit siya naging trending?
Correct. So,
Saka siya.
second day pa lang ang dami nang nangyayari. Kaya kailangan inaabangan natin to because this is our responsibility. Even if we're not lawyers, even if, we're just ordinary members of the community, at least we get to hear the different sides.
And that was Spill the Tea 2.